So here I have the goji berries, and I decided to make the recipe on the back, which is just 8 to 10 ounces of hot water, and you add a handful of goji berries. Then you let it boil and let it steep for 10 minutes. Then you have to remove the goji berries and strain it, which I did, and I added some honey as a sweetener. And then I'm gonna add some milk, but I don't have regular milk, I only have almond milk, but I do have half and half cream, so I'm gonna put very little of that and give you guys my honest opinion on it. This is a product of China. It's organic, it has like a lot of good benefits. It's a superfood. It has a lot of antioxidants, minerals, vitamins, a lot of things that are really good for you. When I tried this, it tasted like raisins, like similar to raisins but bitter, like cranberries, like a mixture of all that, and it's like more dried. Like raisins have a little bit of chewiness to them. This one was a little bit harder, and after I boiled them for 10 minutes and steeped them, they are like super mushy. So yeah, I strained all the goji berries, so that's not something I would like to drink in my tea, but if you want to, go ahead. I just made the tea, and it's a really pretty color. I have it right here. I haven't tried it. I wish you guys could see. Like, I don't want to like that. Can you guys see good? Yeah, you can. So it looks like that, and let me see. Yeah, okay. It looks like that, and I put, like I said, I put honey. I'm gonna try it by itself, and then I'm gonna put splash of milk because I just want to try it by itself with nothing on it. It tastes really good. It tastes kind of like, I don't know why, it tastes kind of like similar to apple, but not really. Like berries, like if apple was a berry, it would taste like this. That's why it's called goji berries. It's really good though. I don't even think it needs a splash of milk, but just to try it for the recipe, I'm gonna put some. Let me put this down. Let me open this up. It's still good. Yeah, it's still good. I don't think it is, but you know, I'm gonna try it. Wait. My family usually drinks this. I don't drink this. Okay, let's put a bit. It expires June. We're good. I think that should be good enough. I didn't get a spoon to mix. Let me just put a little bit more milk then. And there you go. And then let me close this up. How am I gonna mix this? Well, it's okay. I just use my finger. It's not that hot right now. Okay, so this is how it looks now. It looks similar to a watery coffee. Like it's missing the darkness of the coffee, but it still looks like coffee. So let's try it now. It tastes it did change a lot of it. It's still good. It's like less subtle now. Like the fruit taste was very strong, but once I added, and I didn't even add a lot of cream. You guys saw it was like very little. Now it's like a subtleness, a fruitiness, but just like tea. It tastes really good. It still tastes really good. I like both, honestly. I think if I'm wanting something very sweet, and because I didn't even put a lot of honey, I put a very small spoonful of honey. Not like super small, but like a little spoon full of honey. And I think that's the perfect amount. But when I put the milk, it diluted the sweetness. Like, not diluted, but it doesn't taste as sweet, like I said, as the first time. But it's still really good, you know? I wish you guys could see it more. I have this cup here because I don't want to wash dishes. Overall, a great product. It's something that I might add. I'm a big tea person more than coffee. I don't really drink coffee. I'm definitely going to be adding this to my routine. I even heard you can boil some apples with goji berries and then make like a tea like that. So if you're interested in doing something like that, then go for it. If you feel like you want to try it yourself, then I definitely recommend this product for you. Hi, I go under the name of Sweet Dream and I do review videos for fun. I review products that I'm going to be using in my own house or for myself, that whether that be skincare or anything like that, and or if it's going to be for a family member that I want to give it to. Just letting you know, some of these products that I review, it's either between I bought the product myself or the product was gifted to me by the brand. I'm just letting you know so you're self-aware. And then the link down below takes you to Amazon. I am an Amazon affiliate. So if you purchase through my link, I may get a commission at no cost to you. So I'm just letting you know so you're aware of that. And that link does take you straight to Amazon on your, if you're on the phone and you click on it, it's going to take you straight to your, if you have the app downloaded on Amazon, it's going to take you straight there. And like I said, I just review stuff for fun, and I'm really grateful for doing this. If you want to see more, I do post as much as I can, and just like and follow and subscribe.